Hi, this is George Andreas with Victory Pivot. Have your finances been negatively impacted due to the pandemic? Have you been looking for a real proven way to make money, just don't know where to start? If this sounds like you, then please keep watching because today we're going to be discussing Easy Money eBook Bundle. Does this image look familiar to you? Have you been looking and researching and trying to find ways to make passive income? Have you been looking for a simple system that has the potential to make you thousands of dollars in passive income every single month? An online business that's easy to manage, one that you can run from the comfort of your own home and where setup is a breeze? As your resources are limited, I'm sure you're looking for something where startup costs are minimal and where no technical background is required. With your busy life, it would have to be something that's super flexible and that would allow you to supplement your work income on your own schedule. All right, just to set the record straight here, I am not talking about MLM or drop shipping. What I'm going to show you is one of the best side hustles available today. With it, you can make an insane amount of money with the most profitable platform available online. And that platform is Amazon. I'm talking about publishing and selling low content. I know what you're thinking right now. What is he talking about? What on earth is low content? So here's a list of low content products: journals, calendars, coloring books, planners. These are all low content products. So in a nutshell, low content products are books that include very little to no content. And with these books, you can develop one interior design template and literally reuse it over and over again. How simple is that? So here are some of the benefits of selling low content books. You don't require a lot of time to make them. You don't need any experience. The startup costs are minimal, and you don't have to be a great writer. What I absolutely love about low content publishing is that you can outsource everything, including the interior design templates, and set this on autopilot. Now, how's that for passive income? I absolutely love that you can get going in such a short period of time. And once you get the hang of it, you can get low content books out in just a few hours. So, are you ready to start making money selling low content books? What would you do with another $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month? So what are people saying after reading Easy Money? Well, I'll highlight a few reviews that we've received. Darlie Mund, she was released from her company due to COVID-19. She was looking for ways to supplement her income. She came across Easy Money. She thought she'd give it a chance. She found the book very easy to read, lots of resources, and can't wait to start making money. Carmen Kaler, she was researching other ways to make some extra cash and had no idea about low content publishing. She's excited and stoked to get going also. Minta Lofton, she read a blog last year on low content publishing, found it to be a cool idea, didn't really do anything with it at that time. She came across our book on a Facebook group and she thought, hey, let's give it a chance. And after reading it, she would highly recommend it to anyone looking to bank some extra cash. With the Easy Money bundle, you're going to learn exactly how you can start making passive income selling low content publishing. The bundle includes a step-by-step guide, tips and recommendations, case studies, resource links, and much more. To ensure that you retain and put to practice what you learn, you're also going to receive a knowledge quiz, a take action worksheet, and additional bonus resource links. And for a limited time, you're going to get this bundle for only $9.99. That is 50% off the regular price. Act now to receive your instant downloadable e-bundle and start making thousands in passive income right away. Thanks so much for joining me today. To get your 50% off coupon, please make sure you subscribe first at victorypivot.com. You'll get your coupon right away and we'll be able to use that immediately. Download your e-bundle and start making cash right away. On behalf of all of us at Victory Pivot, we wish you all the very best on your journey to enhance your life.